Good morning class. Now we are doing chapter number 7, cube and cube roots. Okay. Chapter number 7, cubes and cube roots. The topic is cube. What is cube? You know that cube is used in the geometry. Okay, it is a solid shape. Okay, as you know that this is a figure of cube. Okay class, this is a figure of cube. It is used in geometry and it is a solid shape. What is solid shape? Figure which have 3 dimensions is known as solid shape. You are seeing that this is line X, this is line Y, and this is line Z. You can see here that there are 3 dimensions. That's why this is a solid shape. Okay. As you know that in cube, its all sides are equal. Okay, its all sides are equal. Okay class, this is cube. Now your next topic is perfect cube. What is perfect cube? When a number is multiplied by itself 3 times, it is known as perfect cube. For example, let's take 3. We can multiply 3 by itself 3 times. Now 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27. It's a 27 is a perfect cube of 3. Okay. You can also write 3 as like this. 3 की power 1 2 3. So 3 की power 3. Okay class. Let's take another example. 9. Okay. So what you have to do? 9 multiply 9 multiply 9. You can write it like this. 9 की power 1 2 3. It is cube, and now you can multiply 9 9 ja 81, 81 9 ja 729. Okay class. So what is the perfect cube of 9? 729 is the perfect cube. Okay class. Now I will tell you about the numbers and their cube. Now I will tell you about perfect cube of 1 की power 3, 2 की power 3, 4, 3 की power 3, 4 की power 3, 5 की power 3, 6 की power 3, 7 की power 3, 8 की power 3, 9 की power 3, and 10 की power 3. Now what we have to do? We have to multiply this number by itself 3 times. As you know that 1 multiply 1 is equals to 1. What will be the perfect cube of 1 की power 3? 1. Now 2 की power 3. So 2 2 is 4, 4 2 is 8. 3 1 is 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27. 4 4 4 जा 16, 16 4 जा 64, 5 5 5 जा 25, 25 5 जा 125, 6 6 6 जा 36, 36 6 जा 216, 7 7 7 जा 49, 49 7 जा 343. Now 8 8 8 जा 64, 64 8 जा 512, 9 9 जा 81, 81 9 जा 729, 10 10 जा 100 and 110 जा 1000. Now you can see these are the perfect cube. Okay, okay class. You will see that if we are multiplying even number, if the number is even, if the number is even, its cube will also be even. Okay, now you can see 2 is the power 3, its cube is 8. You can see the number is even, its cube is also even. 4 64, it's also even. You can see 6, it is even, its cube is also even. You can see 8, its cube is also even. You can see 10, its cube is also even. Okay class. Next point, if the number is odd, if the number is odd, its cube will be also odd. You can see here 1 is odd number, its cube is odd. 3 is odd number, its cube is odd. 5 is odd number, its cube is odd. 7 is odd number, its cube is odd. 9 is odd number, its cube is also odd. Okay. Now I will tell you some interesting fact. Okay, some interesting fact. Okay, first is that your first fact is adding consecutive or numbers. Okay, now see here, we will follow the pattern of sum of odd number. Okay, sum of odd number like this. 1, okay, is equals to 1 is equals to 1 की power 3. Okay class. Now second, 1 is odd number, you have write this. Now you have to follow next odd number is 3. Next is 5. Now you have to plus 3 and 5. It's equals to 8, and it's, you know that 8 is a cube of 2. So it means it is a 2 की power 3. First you have to take one digit. After that you have to take two numbers. Now you have to take three numbers. Like 7 plus 9 plus 11. It's equals to 27. You know that 27 is the cube of 3. So it means that 3 की power 3. Now next, after 11 you have to take 13, 15, 17 and 19. It will is equals to, as you know that 3 plus 5 8, 8 plus 7 15, 15 plus 9 24. So it will come 4 to carry, 2 plus 1 3, 4, 5, 6. It's come 64. You know that 64 is the cube of 4. So it will come 4 की power 3. Okay class. Now you can find 5 also. How? 21 plus 23 plus 25 plus 27 plus 29 is equals to 1 plus 3 4, 4 plus 5 9, 9 plus 7 16, 16 plus 9 25. It will come 5 to carry, 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 2 10, 10 plus 2 12. So it means that it is a cube of 5. Okay class, this is your first. Your second fact is cubes and their prime factor. Prime factors. Okay, you know that prime factor of 4 is 2 multiplied 2. In square, prime factor of 4 is 2 into 2. But in cube, prime factor four की power 3 is equals to 64. Now you can use prime factorization method. How you will find the perfect cube of 64? Okay, you have to take least number. Least number is 2. 1 you cannot take, because when you will divide 1 by 64 by 1, then it will come 64 only. Now you have to take next number, that is 2. You know that 6 come at the table of 2 at 3 and 4 2 ja. Again you know that 2 can also divide, 2 is divided by 2, so you will take 2, 2 1 ja 2. Now 1 is left, 1 and 2 12. So 12 come in the table of 2 by multiplying 6. Again you can divide by 2. You know that 16 comes in the table of 2. How much time? 8. Again you can divide by 2. It will come 4. Again 2. It will come 2. Again 2. It will come 1. Now you can see that you will write 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. Now you can make a pair, but you have to make a cube. Okay, 1 2 3. I will write like this, 2 and 1 2 3. It means 2. Suppose there is a number 216. It is a perfect cube or not? it is a perfect cube or not. How you will find it? You will find it is a perfect cube or not by prime factorization method. You have to write 216 and you have to use prime factorization method. Okay, you have to divide it by 2. 2 1 is 2, 0, 8, again 2, 54, again 2, it is 27. And now you can see that it will not divide 27. Okay, 2 cannot divide 27. Now you have to take 3. 3 9 is 27, 3 3 is 9, 3 1 is 3. Okay class, you can see that 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 3. You can see that this is a 2 की power 3 cube and this is a 3 की power 3 cube. In exponent and power you have read that if a number are different but their power are same, you can multiply that number with each other and you can write the power outside. Okay, so you can see here the number are the different but the power are the same. So what you have to do, you have to write 2 की power 3 की power 3. So 2 3 is 6, 6 की power 3, so 216. So you can say that the 216 is a perfect cube. Okay. Now you have a next question. 243 is a perfect cube or not? Again you have to do it by prime factorization method. 243 divided by 3 because it is a odd number. Okay, 24 comes in the table of 3 by multiplying 8 and 1. Again 3, 27, again 3, 9, again 3, 3, again 3, 1. Now you can see that 3 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 3. You can see that these 3 are making the triplet, but these 2 3 are not making the triplet. That's why 243 is not a perfect cube. Perfect cube. Okay class, this is a topic. 243 is a perfect cube or not? 243 is not a perfect cube. Now your next topic is smallest multiple that is a perfect cube. Perfect cube. Suppose this is a number 392. You can do a prime factorization method. Okay, 2 you have to divide it by 2. 1 ja 9 ja 6 ja, again 2 9 ja 8 ja, again 2 49, again you cannot divide it by 2. Now you have to see 9 plus 4 is equals to 13. 13 is now divided by 3. 4 also cannot divide this number because 9 is an odd number. 5 cannot also divide by 5 cannot divide this number because it is odd, it is 9 there. Now 6 also cannot divide this number because it is an odd number. Now you can divide it by 7 because you know that 49 comes in the table of 7. 7 7 ja 49, 7 7 ja 49, 7 1 ja 7. Okay class. Now you can write like this: 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 7 multiply 7. Now you can see that 2 is making a triplet, but 7 is not making a triplet. For making, there is only 2 7. So what you have to do, you have to multiply 392 by multiply by 7. So it is equals to 7 2 ja 14, 1 carry, 7 9 ja 63 plus 1 64, 7 3 ja 21, 21 plus 6 is equals to 27. Now you can see that the number is 2744. Now you will divide this by 7, as you know that 7 4 ja 28. Then here 6 is left to 63. You know that when you multiply 7 multiply 9, it will come 63. So then you will add 9. Again you know that 49 comes in the table of 7. 7 7 ja 7 1 ja. Now you can see that 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 7 multiply 7 multiply 7. They are making the perfect cube. Okay. So you can write like this: 2 की power 3 into 7 की power 3. As I have told you in previous topic that if the base are different and powers are same, so you have to multiply base and you have to write power common. You have to take power in common and write it outside. So 2 7s are 14. 14 की power 3. So it is equals to 2744. Okay class. This is a smallest multiple, that is a perfect cube. Class, I have explained you the cube. Okay. Now we will do some question of exercise number 7.1. Okay. First question is, which of the following number are not perfect cube? Okay. First question is, you have to tell which number are not a perfect cube. Okay. For its A part is 216. Okay. So what you have to do, you have to solve it by prime factorization method. Okay. And you have, when you will do this question in your notebook, you have to show the prime factorization method also. Okay. Now you will divide it by 2. 1 ja 0 8. Okay. Again 2 5 4. Again 2 2 7. You know that. Now you have to divide it by 3. 3 9 ja 27. 3 3 ja 9. 3 1 ja 3. Okay class. Now you can write 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 3. It means that it's 2 is the power 3, 3 is the power 3. Now you know that the base are same. So 2 3 ja 6. So 6 is the power 3. Now you can see that 6 की power 3. 216 is a perfect cube. you have to write that 216 is a perfect cube. Okay, when you will solve the question, you have to write it is a perfect cube or not. Okay, this is the first question. Now I will explain you next part. Okay, fourth part. Fourth part is 100. Again, you have to do it by prime factorization method. Okay, divided by 2 it will come 50. Again divide by 2 it will come 25. Divide by 5 it will come 5. Divided by 5 it will come 1. You can write 2 multiply 2 multiply 5 multiply 5. You can see that there 2 is not making up triplet and 5 is also not making up triplet. It means that 100 is not a perfect cube. Question second is find the smallest number by which each of the following number must be multiplied to obtain a perfect cube. Okay, you have a question 243. You have to solve it by prime factorization method. Okay, you will solve it by 3 because 2 cannot divide this number. It will come 81. Again you have to divide by 3. It will come 27. Again by 3. It will come 9. Again by 3 it will come 3 and again 3 it will come 1. Okay, now you will write prime factor. Prime factors of 243 is equals to it will come 3 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 3. Okay, you can see here that here 3 does not appear in 3 groups. Okay class, you are seeing here that there is these 2 3 are not making triplet, then it means that 3 does not appear in 3's group. Okay, so what you have to write next, therefore 243 should be multiplied. 243 must be multiplied by 3. Okay, this is your okay, by 3 to make its perfect cube. Okay class, you have to first solve 243 by factorization method, then you have to write the prime factor of 243, then you have to see which number is not appearing in 3 groups, then you have to multiply that number with 243 to make it a perfect square. Okay, this is question second, first part. You have to do other parts by yourself. Okay class, thank you.